Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we do have another confirmed spoiler for the July BoxyCharm box. So first I'll show you what we already have, what we already know about, and then I'll show you the new one. So the first thing is the Butter Linen Natural Goddess palette. Now this is exclusive just to BoxyCharm. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. And the next thing is the Elemis Superfood Veggie Mask. And this has been revealed for the last week or so. And now the brand new one, this has just been revealed. The Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is valued at $48. And yes, this is a confirmed spoiler. So as soon as they come out with any more, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below. And guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, if you would, rate the video for me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.